A ceremonial sacrifice known as Kñia Pyrthat was performed as part of the Behdienkhlam festival, also known as Ski Le Yao, by the believers of Nyamtre under the Rat Joai. The ritual held on Friday began at Lum Kindong. This is where the So Langdo, or religious elders from 4 Rad, Langdo Joai, Kongwasan Charmang, Langdo Yalong and Langdo Tuber gather annually to perform the Kñia Pyrthat rituals. In the afternoon, a festive gathering was held, attended by believers from the Nyamtre community. This ritual, which takes place a week before the Shat Behdienkhlam of the Rat Joai, serves as a way to express gratitude to God for the year-long blessings of good health, prosperity and other blessings bestowed upon the So Langdo So Rad.